Our company was founded in 1938 when a group of technicians and entrepreneurs founded their first plant to produce basic raw materials for local supplies. The name chosen was Atanor, in honor of the first alchemists. A constant search for new technologies, permanent research, commitment to domestic production and product quality were our goals from the very beginning. In the early 1940s, we incorporated the state as a partner. In the 1950s, we started to produce insecticides and herbicides. Atanor went public on the Buenos Aires Stock Exchange, and strategic partners were incorporated to make Atanor the largest chemical company in Argentina. The company continued to grow in the decades that followed as new plants were set up in San Nicolás and Varadero. When the company was acquired by the Albau Group in 1997, Atanor started an expansion process focusing mainly on agrochemicals. The company continued to grow with the Pilar plant, designed to produce glyphosate, which was followed by the Marapa sugar mill, Concepcion Sugar Company, and Balubial salt field. In addition, we expanded our horizons with strategic partners, this time in the He County Industrial Complex in China. That's how Atanor became a major part of the production process of all types of industries. Today we are present in every moment of the lives of millions of people through our products, including crop protection solutions, materials used in the production of printing inks for the printing industry, and cellulose paste delignification and cellulose bleaching agents for the paper industry. In addition, we manufacture neutralizers for dyeing processes in the textile industry, tablet coating products for the pharmaceutical industry, bleach for domestic use, and chlorine for swimming pool water treatment. Sugar, which is used especially in sweets, confectionery, ice creams, chocolate, and yogurt, is another of the company's key products. We are also suppliers of alcohol, present in perfumes and alcoholic beverages. We also produce urea and phenolic resins for use in the timber industry, the manufacturing of abrasive coatings, molding powders, friction materials, frac sand coatings for the oil industry, and stiffeners for the rubber industry, as well as hundreds of other products. At present, Atanor boasts an advanced industrial and commercial complex with 7 production plants in the provinces of Buenos Aires, Córdoba, and Tucumán in Argentina. Monroe Plant. Here we manufacture formaldehyde and derivative products, phenylformaldehyde resins and urea formaldehyde resins. Pilar Plant. Here we produce glyphosate. This modern plant has all the necessary infrastructure to handle the manufacturing process, including the generation of steam, cooling water systems, and a wastewater treatment plant. Varadero Plant. The only plant in Argentina to produce different types of acetates, acetic acid, and triacetin. San Nicolás Plant. Located on the banks of the Paraná River, this plant produces herbicides and insecticides, including atrazine and triazine herbicides, and it is the only factory of ,its kind in the Mercosur. The same complex also manufactures other herbicides, including glyphosate, MCPA, 2,4-D ester, 2,4-D amine salt, and insecticides like cypermethrin, chlorpyrifos, and dimethoate. Rio Tercero Plant. It produces exclusive products in Argentina such as hydrogen peroxide and 2,4-D acid. It is currently the only plant that manufactures 2,4-D acid in the Mercosur, positioning Atanor as a leading global producer. We also produce chlorine, caustic soda, hydrochloric acid, and sodium hypochlorite. Concepcion Sugar Mill. This is the largest sugar refinery in the province of Tucumán, producing sugar and distilling alcohol. It includes 3,100 hectares of our own sugarcane plantations. Marapa Sugar Hill. Located in the province of Tucumán, it includes a sugar mill and an alcohol distillery. Balubeal. Located in the province of La Pampa, the main purpose of this salt field is to use the salt as raw material for vertical integration in Atanor production processes. Efficient production processes, constant innovation, and strict quality control have successfully made Atanor part of a highly competitive international market through the export of our products to the world. Today, we are the only integrated producer in the Americas that produces the three most widely used herbicides globally: glyphosate, atrazine, and 2,4-D. We are also the only producer of 2,4-D and atrazine in the Mercosur, the only producer of 2,4-DB in the Americas, and the second largest producer of glyphosate in Argentina. In addition, we are the only Argentine producer of hydrogen peroxide, ethyl acetate, butyl acetate, triacetin, acetic acid, and acetic anhydride. And we are the second largest sugar producer and one of the largest alcohol producers in Argentina. From the beginning, we have had a clear commitment to the environment and sustainable development. Under this policy, we adapt production processes and strive to continuously improve technologies, optimizing performance, increasing product quality, and reducing the generation of production waste, in order to minimize our operations' environmental impact. Through an integral management system that brings together occupational health and safety, the environment, and corporate social responsibility, our company is part of the Responsible Care Program for the Environment promoted by the International Council of Chemical Associations, ICCA. Through our efforts and dedication, we have attained recognized international standards in our different plants, such as ISO 14001 certification at the Monroe and Rio Tercero plants, OSHA's 18001 at the Rio Tercero plant, and ISO 9001 at the Paradero and Rio Tercero plants. All these indicators are merely a small demonstration of Atanor's corporate responsibility to the communities in which we are present, the environment, and the growth of future generations. It is a great responsibility to be at the forefront of the industry. It is an enormous responsibility to develop products of the highest quality. It is a great challenge to be able to support our clients day by day. And we are extremely proud to be an important part of the lives of millions of people. Atanor, passion for production.